So I ordered some smelly stuff. I love Japanese things, and these Dream Magic Charms White Musk stanky hangs. I ordered from 110. Woo! From the 110 Factory dude on Instagram. He had a few packs, and then he didn't have a few packs, and I was like,
well, if you ever get any more, I'd buy some.
So he found 3 more packs of the White Musk, and I ordered them from him, and I believe he was based out of, I don't know, Australia. They came super quick, and I'm really stoked. It's something about like the Japanese nerdy stuff, like Boss Coffee, I don't know, the candies, like all that stuff that's just kind of, it's niche. He shipped over air fresheners and a bunch of stickers. So I didn't get a chance to really like vlog at this car show, but it was still fun. James invited us to his company's car show they do annually. It is for one of their employees who passed away. I don't actually know I don't know the details. It's just sad, but it's awesome that they're keeping his legacy alive with car shows and the stuff that he was into, and it was just really cool to be a part of it. We went down, we took the Karolla and we took the Porsche. I was a little late. I know James was like saving me a spot, and then it just got packed and they had to fill it in, which is fine. I don't want to be beside him anyway, you know what I'm saying? They had a plethora of just random different cars, trucks, motorcycles, the whole 9, and we got to hang out. So I'm gonna throw together a quick like montage of some of the stuff that was there. Yeah, a lot of muscle cars, which I'm okay with. My cat just took a massive dump. Peanut, did you just take a shit? Why are you taking poops when I'm trying to record? Oh. The owner's like a piece of shit.
Something?